Hello, welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got another bike here today. This is a 2006 Honda crf450. We've got all the stock parts that we'll go over in a second, but we'll start with the bike. It's a beautiful, clean bike, ran very well on the test drive. And it's louder than all hell because it's got this FMF Speed aftermarket exhaust on it. Loads of aftermarket parts like these Tusk rims with the hubs. You can come around, you'll see the blue pipes on the oversized aftermarket radiators on both sides. The big WMR front and back suspension. It's got the race start kit on it. This bike is a serious speed demon. Yeah. So everything worked pretty well on the bike. It's no problems there. On the stock parts, we've got extra number plates, a couple chains. We've got the original, you can start the bike. Got the original exhaust and the original radiators, the original louvers, and everything's good. So Dan's gonna start the bike. Yeah, it runs like a dream. So if you see any parts or know what you want off of this bike, feel free to message us. You'll see our contact information in the description, as well as our eBay page, and I believe our Yahoo's down there as well. It's all blip the throttle because it's fun. You see these Pro Taper guards, beautiful. So yeah, that's the bike. Like I said, you can contact us in the description for parts you want. Otherwise, we just want to keep you riding and we want to keep riding. So have a great day.